Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can manage your time spent on Instagram. So I don't use this account that much. This is for work, that's why, and I don't use like my personal Instagram, so it will only show like me using just 1 minute of this Instagram I guess. So if you go to the three lines here and went to time spent under how you use Instagram, you'll be able to see like your daily average on Instagram. So today's like 1 minute because I've just opened this. And here you can manage your time. There's a break reminder, quiet mode, and daily limit as well. So you can add in a break reminder for every 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. Select how many minutes you want the break to be. Well, how many minutes you spend on Instagram, and then like when the break comes, I guess that's what I meant. Select it and then select turn on. I'm not going to do it though because I'm still doing tutorials. You can also use quiet mode here, and replies will be on like quiet mode, I guess. You can set the start time and the end time, and you can choose the days. For instance, you just want it to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wait, no, that's not what here you go. There we go. I'm just going to turn that off again. Skip for now. Oops. Okay, I should have pressed the other button. Anyways, there's also like a daily limit. For instance, you only want to spend 2 hours on Instagram, and you can just select it and turn it on, but I'm not gonna. But that is it. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!